Good morning, traders. Stephen Davis here, RJO Futures, downtown Chicago. Happy Friday to everybody. I'm going to talk to you about the grain markets here this morning a little bit. We had export sales this morning, and a very good number in corn, 1.4 million metric tons of corn exported. Even impressive here in the holidays that we're in. So one analyst that I talked to this morning said, well, keep an eye on this export number, Steve, this morning. We get a good number, it'll be a boost for corn. Well, corn's up 1 penny on this good export news. So this bearishness in corn is really embedded as we move into the end of the year here. Certainly the January 10th crop report is going to be very important. So we've got to get that out of the way. And look for all this bearishness in corn. Maybe on January 10th, we get this crop report and it's a bearish or neutral report, and corn will trade higher because of this bearish sentiment so worked into the price discovery of corn. China's cancelizations of DDGs, which is Dreyer's distiller grain, which is a byproduct of our ethanol process. So this news is constantly in the market. So look for this to continue until the U.S. can get this GMO strain out of the corn we're shipping to China, or China approves it. So look for that to continue to be in the news. March corn, watch the 420 level. I think it's 428 as we speak. Under 420, we'll trade to lower prices. So soybeans this morning. We got option expirations into January. We think that'll be a little bit supportive here. You'll have some short covering rallies in the January soybeans today off of option expiration. Good number in exports, and we were down hard yesterday on some perceived wetter forecasts in South America next week. So keep an eye on the South American. We'll talk about that weather development each week going forward here. Wheat here is a buyer's market at the end of the year, low prices. We think the buyers are going to hold off here a little bit. This bearishness has really accelerated since December 5th when Stats Canada came out with Canada's wheat production. So wheat very weak, trending lower. Corn and wheat, they're trading cousins. So perhaps whatever corn does, wheat's going to do here. So that's it. Futures and options trading is not suitable for everybody, and it does need to be risk capital that we use. Have a great day trading, and we'll talk to you next week.